The golden crispy spring rolls are super delicious. They're great on their own to enjoy as a snack or with other ingredients to create a fine dish. Hi, welcome to Lin My Simple Way, and today is the recipe on how to make these delicious spring rolls. For this, you need 400 to 500 grams of pork mince, approximately 500 grams of taro, 1 carrot. If you like the taste of carrot, you can add another 2 packets of spring rolls pastry. There are around 100 sheets in 2 packets. 1 egg yolk, 1 teaspoon of chicken powder, half a teaspoon of sugar, and 2 tablespoons of fish sauce. Then you need some black pepper, first step is to peel the carrot and then shred it into long thin pieces. Same to the taro. You first need to peel the skin and then shred it into long thin pieces as well. Cut your taro into small pieces, roughly around 3-4 centimeters in length. Add carrot to the pork mince, then taro to the mixture. Then add your chicken powder, and your sugar, then the fish sauce. Mix well. Make sure you mix these ingredients very well. Sprinkle some black peppers and mix well again. To the spring rolls pastry. If the packet is frozen, make sure you have to leave it thaw before rolling. Peel each sheet of the packet and leave it on a plate. Take 1 sheet at a time to roll. Place the spring roll pastry diagonally, the corner facing yourself. Take a teaspoon, roughly a teaspoon of the mixture, and place it onto the pastry and start rolling. Once these are done, you can deep fry them. Just make sure that your oil is hot enough before you put the spring roll into the oil. You can eat these with vermicelli, lettuce, and some Vietnamese herbs, mince, and coriander, along with mixed fish sauce and bean sprouts. Or you can also enjoy them on their own, together with sweet chili sauce. Thanks for watching. Please like, share or subscribe to Lin My Simple Way.